Hi guys, today I'm going to learn you how we can make free shirts in Roblox. This might be the easiest way to do it, but this is the easiest way for me. So you download this game, Marker Blocks, right here, without pressing on. So you go in it. Okay, let me wait.
Tech finds that just slap. This is the Insta 360 Go 3, and
That's
it's the
these days.
planet's tiniest vlogging cam that's about.
Okay. Okay, I have to choose one. I'm just gonna choose a free one. I don't really like ads. I don't think anybody does. Like, they're so annoying. Okay. I'm gonna choose. Oh my god, these are so cute. Okay, I'm gonna choose this. It's just so cute. Okay. Oh, these are so cute. Mm. Okay. So I'm gonna put this. No, I don't really think. Okay. This can actually get you lots of Robux this way. Like, anywhere, but it can get you like a lot of Robux. Oh, those are so cute. Can get you like a lot of Robux, and you can become rich. But it only depends if you're good at it. Anyway, you need at least 10 Robux and you need at least 10 Robux and obviously your fingers. No. Oh my god, those are so cute. Okay, I'm gonna do textures, colors, but colors, stickers I mean. Okay, this is kind of good. No, I'm just kidding. It's not. Okay, progress. I hope. Like, I love the school, but I don't think it's gonna be the perfect one. Okay, I'm gonna do like a kind of. No. Oh, that's just bad. Nope. On a rope. It's bad. Nope. I'm gonna remove. Okay. Now I'm just gonna make this small. Oh, how can I make this small? Help me. Um, how can I make it small? I'm just gonna. Okay, I'm just going to white neon. Yep, that's the only thing I'm gonna write. Well, not the only thing. Maybe I'll do it again. Yeah, literal not gonna do nail. Yeah. Oh my god, that gave me a great idea. Can do face. Do you know the song Happy Face? I'm gonna do something related to that. I'm happy today. Yeah, I'm going to get like a bigger kind of platform. Yes, ones like that. Happy face and everything's okay. Happy face. Happy face. Hey, Bruno. Okay, I don't. Okay. Hey. Okay. Now let's put it there. Good. I'm still. Okay. Happy face. Face. Hey, Bruno. Happy face. And everything. Why didn't you find anything? Smile. Hey, put on a happy face, and everything's okay. Yes, that's the kind of happy face I'm trying to look for. Hey, put on a happy face, and everything. Okay. Okay, what should I do? Face. Hey, put on a happy face, and hey, put on a happy face. Okay. I am going to do like a no, not white. I'm gonna do like a yellow thingy, and I'm gonna try to make a face. Smile. But I can just write? Can I write? Can I write? Okay, this is gonna be hard. Hey, Bruno, and every Bruno, happy face. Hey, put on a happy face. Okay, I think I should delete this. Yeah, and then put smiling faces if I want some Robux. Okay, I'm just gonna buy this thingamajiggy. Okay, this is a bit cringe. Yeah, I am 100% wanting to skip. Okay, I get it. Oh.
Visualize your brand with fonts and graphics.
Sorry, not now. Does look like a great app, but not now. Seems okay. Okay, that's good. Now I'm just gonna do another smiley face, like am also gonna do a small one. I'm gonna do one here. Yeah, looks a bit weird, don't it? Okay, that's okay. Okay, after when you're done, do not skip this part. So when you're done, have to press upload, and then when it shows this, just get out there, press play Roblox, and then wait a sec. Let me wait for this to download. Okay, so press more, and then press create. You guys do need 10 Robux to do this. And then press on. Okay, I'll literally press on create an avatar item. Press it. And then press upload asset. And then press the picture sign, like press upload. And then there's all our pictures. Then press the one that looks whatever like your picture. Give it a name. Hey, put on a happy face. Put on a happy face. Put on a happy face, and everything's okay. A happy face. You don't have to do a description, but you can if you want to. Then press upload. Okay, this is okay. Then press the thing that you just did again. Press on your thingy again. Then press on sale. And then you have to give it a price. I'll give it 15. Yeah. Wait, what if I give it 20? Nah, it's gonna be a bit expensive. 15. Then you press publish. And then it says cost 10 Robux. And then put on sale. And then you lose 10 Robux. So, but it can give you like a lot of Robux, and that's how you make free shirts. Well, not free, but that's how you make shirts on Roblox. Okay, please like and subscribe. Love you guys.